Now here is an angle that you're not going to get to see every day, in more ways than one. So what's happening here? Well, the whole idea is that I'll be able to pick up these tiny little pieces and lay them on the back of the breakwater, get them positioned just right, and then apply a little bit of glue. Okay, what I've done here is I've taken a toothpick and I've sanded the point smooth, so there's less of a chance that I'm going to be scratching the paint. Oh, okay, I think I'm going to have to lean this thing back just a little bit more. This surface here is not 100% flat. Now I got to make sure that as soon as I let go of this, nothing's going to fall over here. Maybe I'm going to just reposition just a little different here. I don't know if that'll help. See, the idea is I want to have this horizontal. Horizontal this way, and also horizontal this way. Okay, don't anybody move. Okay, let's try this again here. And now with my custom-made toothpick. You see the little circle right there. Well, this end is supposed... I don't believe this. Okay, now is probably a good time to mention. You remember about 3 episodes ago, I was showing you the back of this breakwater, and I was showing you the 2 little marks. One looked like a 0, the other looked like a D. Well, that's what I'm trying to, line this little piece up with right now. You're going to notice I got a cardboard box sitting there. Well, that's not because I want you to know that I'm with Amazon Prime. That's so that I can steady my hands and keep from trembling. You'll notice that sometimes I'm shaking pretty good in some of these shots, the close-ups anyway. Well, that's because I can't support my arms properly. If I could have everything set up like a jeweler has his workbench, I wouldn't be trembling at all. Well, almost at all. Now I realize I'm probably going to have to repaint here. Well, what I did was I got the camera out of the way so I could get at a better angle. I'm just going to use just a tiny little drop here. There, you see it wicking its way along? I don't know if I dare try the other end or not. Maybe I'll wait until this one dries. Okay, I'm going to quit while I'm ahead. Okay, it's on. And I did it exactly the same way as I did this other one here, except that I didn't drop it once. And there's a good reason why I didn't drop it once. There was nobody watching to laugh. Anyway, these are the little hatches that go over the stairwells. And yeah, it's an optional thing. I can put them in place, or I can leave them off. Now, if you leave them off, it doesn't show you anywhere. I probably can't get it out of there. It doesn't show you anywhere how to position it in an open position, you know. Yeah, so I just thought I'd show you these. And as I mentioned a couple of episodes ago, I'm not going to bother with them. I think I'm going to have to repaint this one. I'm afraid I'm going to get it all scratched up here trying to position it. Now I think I need more glue here. I think I went from not enough to too much. Let's try this again now. 2 weeks from today, here in Winnipeg, we can no longer legally drive with studded tires on the car. I have studded tires all around. Gotta get them off, and this afternoon my son is coming over to help me switch the wheels. Get the summer wheels on. Now, you wouldn't believe it today because it's plus 15 Celsius at the moment, but 48 hours ago we had this. Now, mind you, that was sort of misleading. It's sort of a freak little storm that passed through. It was melting about as fast as it could hit the ground. Anyway, gotta cut this video a little bit shorter today, and tomorrow we'll put some more stuff on the deck. So thanks for watching, and all being well, we'll see you tomorrow.